subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Infinix has announced two new smartphones under Note series globally called Infinix Note 11 and Note 11 Pro. Among these two, the Infinix Note 11 Pro is the higher variant with more features. Talking about the specifications, the Infinix Note 11 Pro features a tall 6.95-inch Full HD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling rate. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G96 chipset paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU, and it packs with 8GB of RAM that is expandable up to 3GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is also expandable up to 2TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Infinix Note 11 Pro supports a triple camera setup on the rear and a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 64MP main camera with a 1.7 aperture plus 13MP telephoto lens with up to 30x digital zoom support and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top center. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 33W fast charging support, and it runs on Android 11 with XOS 10 skin on top. For gaming, the company has added Darling 2.0 feature for better performance, and it has thermal heat dissipation system to avoid overheating on the phone. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes DTS surrounded sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 173.06 by 78.37 by 8.7mm, and it weighs around 209 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. Unfortunately, the company haven't revealed the pricing details of the Infinix Note 11 Pro at the moment, and the phone is said to be soon available in some selected markets in haze green, mithril grey, and mist blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Infinix Note 11 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.